Make a smothered T-bone steak today. These are my ingredients. Then you gotta stab the meat first. Season that meat up real good. Sit it to the side, let it marinate for about an hour or two. I'm gonna cook this a little bit later. I'll show you how I make smothered steak. Add a little olive oil in the skillet. I have my steak already marinating. I'm gonna broil that on 500. Both sides for about 7 minutes. Flip that steak over after and put it back in for another 10 minutes on broil. I'll show you how to make some gravy and onions from scratch. I'm gonna saute these for about 4 minutes until they're golden brown. Once the onions is caramelized, looking something like that, I'm gonna add a half a cup of flour, like that, and mix all that together. I'm gonna add another pinch of butter to it. I got my gravy going. Once you put the flour, I add a little chicken broth and some water to it. The thicker you have it, the more flour you'll need to make it thicker. And now I'm gonna add my seasonings. A little salt and pepper, paprika, some rosemary, thyme, and some basil, and a pinch of Worcestershire sauce. Add that right up in there. Seasonings, I'm gonna stir that on up all together. Add 1 little small tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Got the gravy tasting like I like it. Now I'm gonna sit that big T-bone back up in there. Smother it. Throw this in the oven on low, like 250 for about an hour with a top over it. I got some whipped sweet potatoes, some broccoli steamed, and that thing completely smothered up in there. About to tear this thing up. Pull that thing up out of that right there. Gravy tastes bomb too. That T-bone steak and gravy, baby. Double whipped sweet yams.